the vibe in here is very different today. Big up to DJ Minx on the ones and threes holding it down. So right now, guys, we have founder and artistic director of Tropics Theatre and evening scholar, Akeem Mignot, is here along with two of his students, Kayla South, president of Tropics, I call it Tropics, I'm sorry, it's Tropics Theatre, and Gregory Slater, vice president of Tropics, to share their experience and the impact of drama on youths. Good morning. Lovely people.
Morning.
How you do?
Not too bad.
Tropics, Akeem, I have to call out the Tropics because I am here saying, okay, misspelling Jeffy is Tropics, okay? So tell the people, just clear us up from now. It's Tropics.
Listen, Jamaicans, listen, I got you.
Okay.
It's a simple thing. If we had said Tropics
Right.
Theatre, they would have said Tropics. Then that group, they know that group, the Tropics.
Yes.
Somebody has to help them out.
Oh, so from earlier stage it says Tropics. Okay. Akeem, you've done so much though. Ever since I've known you, you've been involved in theatre, in the arts. You're a evening scholar. You went away. Tell us about how, all of it kind of combined to, forming this whole movement.
Yeah, coming back from pursuing my master's degree in London as a evening scholar, I, wanted to come back and give back to Jamaicans and give back to the youth. And, that's right up my alley because I did a master's degree in drama and education, social and community context. So it's really applied theatre, and I wanted to go in the community aspect of things and just try to see how best we can preserve our culture, because I think that's the most important thing. We have to, in order to preserve the rich Jamaican culture, we have to start with the young people.
Absolutely.
That's how it will be sustained. So I really wanted to come back and really just keep the thing going. And we started back in the pandemic, when things were changing a little bit, and we could meet in groups,
Yes.
and I decided to do some speech and drama workshops. And both of these thespians were a part of that workshop. And, after we did a virtual showcase for their friends and their family, and afterwards, I was like, these kids kind of talented, Them have a little talent.
Them very talented.
Maybe I should just probably create a youth group and try to nurture and help them to hone those skills and talents. And
You said a big word a while ago for the persons who may not understand because you're a evening scholar. Thespian, what is that? Please break it down.
A thespian is a young actor, a performer. That's pretty much it. Simple.
And they are young actors.
They are
right.
very talented as well.
Wow, amazing. So, Kayla and Gregory, both of you, how long have you now been a part of it? Were you a part of it from the very beginning?
Yeah? From the very, very beginning.
And how has it been?
It has been really good. I'm really grateful, eternally grateful for that safe space that we can, express ourselves and to network, connect, create. I'm just really grateful.
Yeah, same here. I have the same notion. I'm very comfortable in the space with expressing myself and stuff. So it's really fun. It's not all about work and arts. We have fun. Sometimes we have fun. But it's about the arts. It's about expressing ourselves, about creativity. So we put ourselves into the pieces as well.
Yeah.
So not only Akeem directs, but we give back and we put our creative minds into it as well.
Love that. And that's on stage as well. And off stage, it actually helped you personally, I'm sure, with your own personal development. Right, Gregory? Yeah?
Absolutely. So, of course, as an aspiring actor, it's really important that we get that holistic development. So I've learned how to be a whole professional, being punctual, just the little things, being polite, being respectful of the craft and of each other. So, I'm just really grateful for that.
Yeah, that's why you're going to say same too, right? Same thing. Right. But speak about it though from the perspective as a female in that space. Maybe even dealing with the topics that are actually for us, curated for us. Yeah.
Right. Okay. So in that aspect, as Gregory said, I'm just going to agree because it's not far off.
Yeah.
I completely agree. We gain respect. We learn how to give back respect and stuff. So it's not much different.
It's the same thing.
It's really the same thing.
Any memorable moments for you, Gregory, that you can, it stands out to you front of mind when you think about it?
Absolutely. Actually, when we just started and we have to adjust to this new normal within the theatre space, so we had to wear our masks. we had to wear face shields, we had to do social distancing, and you know, that was kind of difficult, especially within the theater space. You know, it was really hard to interact, but we have definitely learned how to adjust. You know, projecting more, using bigger body movements, you know, just to execute all of our performances, and I think that's most memorable.
When you said bigger body movements, I say, yeah, man, this is Akeem's doing. Like, you can't go wrong. That's Akeem's doing. Akeem, talk to me now about, you know, the importance, the impact, you know, the results that you've seen from having drama and the arts being a part of this experience for the young people.
I think in any, you know, aspect of our life and society, we have to be very assertive and very expressive. So why not start with young people? And that's my field. I do education, I teach young people. So I wanted to create a space that they can express themselves. And even last year when we did our first production, it was designed for CXC students so that they can have a play that they can watch, and some of them have to critique a play for their SBAs. So I wanted to give them an opportunity to watch a play with young people, for young people, and that's what they did, and the feedback was so good. We did the play last year, May, to celebrate you know, Child's Month, and the feedback was so overwhelming. We had to do the production again back in, what was it, November? We had to do it again, and it was 2 shorts, 1 stage, and it was 2 short plays. The first one had revivalism in it, Rastafarianism, and the second one had revivalism in it, because I always want them to do productions that preserve the culture, and I think seeing that coming from young, expressive and talented young people, you know, trying to preserve our culture, because, you know, whether we want to agree or not, our culture can seem like it's being diluted or it's going away. So to see that coming from young people, and Jamaicans love to see themselves on stage, so why not see that coming from young, talented people?
Exactly. And I love what you say, you know, Jamaicans love to see themselves on the stage. So will you be taking this off, you know, off the stage into the communities, maybe bringing in some more people? How can persons be a part of Tropics?
Well, they can be a part of Tropics Theatre by first watching our production that's on tomorrow.
Okay. You mean today?
Yes,
Saturday?
No, later.
Oh,
later.
okay. Come here, say, is this
I have a lot of things, you know.
It's later on this evening.
It's 25 members.
Right.
So sometimes, you know,
understand. So later on this evening, it's happening where?
Yes, it's happening at 35 Dunrobin Avenue, and that's at Johnny's place.
Oh, nice.
My brother there, yes. Very nice space.
It is.
So we have this show that is a variety show for the entire family.
Wow.
They can come out and see it and have a laugh. We have miming, we have dramatic poems, we have short plays. It's there's something for everybody.
How much to get in there?
Very, very cheap. 2,500.
Oh gosh, cheap.
Listen, you can even have money for buy a little banana chips.
No, I can't bother with
a little juice, an intermission. It's very affordable.
I tell you about it, you know, boy. Akeem, thank you so much. Congratulations and everything. Thank you both for joining me this morning. Founder and artistic director of Tropics Theatre and evening scholar Akeem McNutt, along with the students Kayla South, and she's the president of the Tropics Theatre, and also Gregory Slater, vice president of Tropics. So stay tuned for more to come right here on Weekend Smile when we return. Stay with us.